Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And while that other video was loading, I thought, and I think I've done a video of this on Star. You know, I was telling everybody make a four-sided polygon to put it in the center. But let's say you can't work in the center of the page. You're out here on the edge of the page, and you don't have the luxury to put your indexing lines in the center. Well, when Corel drew that, it's got nodes. So take a 2-point line and go from that node to that intersection or that node. Make sure you're not on the edge. Make sure you get to the node. And then write one more node to that node. That is the center of the triangle. Control G and group it together. Let's hit P, put it in the center of the page. That's just showing you what Corel think is the center of the page, or center of the triangle is right here, where the center is actually right here. So if we grab this, you could put it in the center if you have snap to guidelines on. And then always kind of just to prove that it really looks like these don't work. But if you take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, Control D and make a duplicate, double click on it. Now it only really works in one direction without mirroring it, but rotate this 120 degrees and you get that shape. And Control D and 240 degrees and you get the other side. Pretty cool way to make a logo right there within itself. Anyway, just a quick little video. Hope that helped. Thank